Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Najihah binti Muhammad Nizam and my metric number is 25DDT19F1038. In this video, I'm going to do practical task 1 for network security subject. We have 3 objectives for this assessment. First is verifying network connectivity. Second is tracing a route to a remote server using command line. And the third one is trace a route to a remote server using web-based trace route tool. The required resources are CyberOps workstation, VMware, and internet access. We will proceed to part 1, verifying network connectivity. First, we have to verify IP address information for student workstation, which is we will use IPA command to show the IP address. As we can see, the IP address is 192.168.40.129. Then we have to verify network connectivity to default gateway. We will use command IPR and the default gateway is 192.168.40.2. Next, we have to verify network connectivity to any remote server. So the command is ping -c for www.google.com. So we're getting the reply from www.google.com. Then we will try to ping to cisco.com. We're also getting the reply from www.cisco.com. We're trying again for gmail.com. As we can see now, we're getting the reply from www.gmail.com. Then we have to verify network connectivity to any regional internet registry, RIR, which is we will ping to afrinic.net. So we're getting the reply from afrinic.net and we will proceed to rap.net. We're also getting the reply from rap.net and we will ping to lacnic.net. We also getting the reply from lacnic.net, and the last one we try to ping from appnic.net. Yeah, we also getting the reply from appnic.net. Next, we will proceed to part 2, tracing a route to a remote server using command line. First, we have to trace a route to any remote server and we have to trace a route to any regional internet registry, RIR. So we will open the command prompt. So the command is trace it. We will trace a route to remote server www.cisco.com. So the trace is complete. Then we have to trace to google.com. We're tracing the route to www.google.com. Then after this, we have to tracing route to gmail.com. The trace is complete. We'll proceed to gmail.com. The trace is finally complete. Then we will trace a route to any regional internet registry, which is afrinic.net. So we're tracing route to afrinic.net. Tracing route to afrinic.net is complete. Then we will trace route to ripe.net. The trace is complete. We'll proceed to lagnic.net. The trace is finally complete. We will trace route to the last one is appnik.net. Tracing route to appnik.net. The trace is finally complete. We will proceed to part 3. Trace a route to a remote server using web-based trace route tool. First, we have trace a route to any remote server. Then, trace a route to any regional internet registry. We will go to web browser. We will get this link. Then we will do the trace route. We will trace. So this is the map and trace route to the www.cisco.com 30 hops max. Then we proceed to google.com. We trace route to www.google.com 30 hops max. We proceed to gmail.com. So trace route to gmail.com 30 hops max. Then we will trace a route to any regional internet registry, which is appnik.net. Trace route to appnik.net 30 hops max. Next is ripe.net. Trace route to ripe.net. We will proceed to lacnic.net. Trace route to lacnic.net 30 hops max. The IP address, the time. The last one is appnik.net. trace route to applet.net, 30 hops max. Okay, that's it for practical task 1. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.